In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily recover deleted items in Monday.com. Whether it's a simple mistake or a change of plans, it's crucial to know how to retrieve that vital information quickly. So let's delve into the step-by-step process of restoring those important items in just 5 minutes. First things first, navigate to Monday.com by opening your preferred web browser. Once there, look for the Login button, which is typically located at the top right of the homepage. Click on it to proceed. From the Login options, you're going to select Google if you use a Google account to access your Monday.com workspace. Simply click on this option, choose your Google account from the list, and voila, you're in. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen where your profile icon resides. This is your gateway to many settings within Monday.com, including the crucial next step in our recovery journey. Click on your profile. It's quite straightforward, but make sure you're on the right track because this will lead you to the much-needed trash section. Once you're viewing your profile, you should see an option labeled Trash. This is where all the deleted items are temporarily stored. Think of it as a recycling bin specifically for your workspace. Click on this Trash option. Remember, items in the trash may not be kept forever, so it's wise to act on recovering them promptly. In the trash section, you'll see a list of items that have been recently deleted. Find the specific item that you wish to restore and look for the 3 small dots, often referred to as the More Actions menu, next to that item. Click on these dots to reveal a menu of options related to that deleted item. From the list of options, you'll spot the Restore button. Clicking Restore will bring back your selected item to its original state, placing it neatly back into your workspace as though it was never gone. Isn't it comforting to know how quickly you can amend these deletions? And there you have it. In just a few clicks, you've successfully recovered your deleted items on Monday.com. Always keep this process in mind for any future mishaps and share this handy tip with your teammates to ensure everyone can efficiently manage their tasks without worry. Thank you for joining me in this quick tutorial. Be sure to explore the many features of Monday.com further to enhance your overall workflow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other tutorials for more insightful guides. Happy organizing, and see you next time.